Hey guys, welcome back. In this module, we're going to be talking about real estate financial modeling Excel best practices. So attached to this lesson is going to be an Excel file, and we're going to be using that throughout the remainder of this course to go over certain exercises, certain concepts for more of the financial portion of commercial real estate that we're going to want to learn and go through. So in order to do that, I want to make sure that you have a firm understanding of just basic Excel best practices that you should be using when you're doing your financial modeling and how to use this file going forward. So first of all, any manual inputs that you will be changing as the student, or if you are an analyst or associate working for another company and you open up a model, the only things that you should be changing are in blue text. Those are the manual inputs that are going to drive the rest of the model and change the outputs and the numbers and the formulas in the other cells that are different colors. So what are those different colors? First, any references to other worksheets within the same file are going to be in green text, and do not touch these. So if you have one tab that has all of your assumptions and maybe some formulas are being run within there and you have an exit value in there, you have a sale price in there, and that's being pulled from a different sheet. So maybe that sheet is your sale reversion value sheet. If that cell is referencing a different worksheet within that same file, that cell will be in green text. Again, do not touch this, but something to be aware of when we're working in Excel going forward. And finally, any formulas that will be automatically calculated are going to be in black text. Do not touch these. So these are the formulas that are being run in the background. Whenever you change those blue cells, these black cells will change. So don't touch these. If you do, it's going to mess up the formulas in the model and it probably won't run right. So don't touch these. There's really only blue and black text in this worksheet attached, but we're going to be using this a lot in the rest of the course, so I wanted to make sure you are aware of that.